Hi guys, hello, my name is Maria and today we'll discuss new trading situations about the euro, about the Great Britain pound, and we'll discuss Brent and gold. I have a Russian community. There is a huge amount of people who communicate with me about trading, and I have the Russian trading club. And here in English trading area, I decided to make a YouTube. So you're welcome to stay here and ask questions about what you think for currencies, for indexes. Mostly I trade currencies, but also I take Brent, I take different kinds of oil, I take gold and indexes and stock market. Well, I don't trade local instruments, but I do take some international things, and it's something that gives you an opportunity to have long-term profits all the time. So for currencies also it's a perfect thing that you can learn how to trade. Well, let's discuss the euro dollar. So you're welcome to stay with me on the YouTube channel, join it, press the thumbs up, and of course you're welcome to join my Telegram channel. For euro dollar, look here is the tendency that begins from March 2020, and here it gave you a moment that they could not go through the tendency. Look, tendency begins a year ago. It goes, and in March this year price touched this tendency, gives you a rebound and goes up. Now in my trading club in Russia and with my community, even in Instagram, by the way, I'm in Instagram. So yeah, I gave you a target to make profit for long positions in 1.1975. So this is our profit, 1.1975. Does it mean that we have to sell right now? No, it does not. What do we do? What do we have to do? We got to check the level on daily chart. I go to daily chart. I check the candlestick situation. Is there a sell signal? No, there is no sell signal. Is there any opportunity to buy right now? Let me check on 1 hour chart if I can go further to buy. But right now on daily chart, there is no sell signal, no buy signal. I just check it, so I do understand if I have to take some decision that daily chart gives me. I go to 1 hour chart and I see that price touching level of resistance from March of this year. It's 12th of March, it's 17th of March, and right now it's on a level of resistance. So it is a really good level of resistance. Should I sell right now, and how do I put my target? For example, I do have a resistance where I want to sell from. What is my target? I take the all upgoing last tendency. This is the last upgoing tendency, the local one from the beginning of April. I take Fibonacci levels. In my trading club, I used to have all those videos, and I think I'm gonna put it on YouTube here. So yeah, I take all those levels and I see my target is 1.1948. Good. Next one is 1.1920. So those are correction targets with the Fibonacci levels. But does it mean that I have to sell right now? I'm not sure. I gotta go to check it on 15-minute chart. So I go to 15-minute chart, and here I have a good trading system, which is the work keeps going, so I gotta check everything all the time. So we gotta check this level of support on 15-minute chart. Why is that so? You can see that from April 14th, from yesterday, this level was a level of resistance. Resistance, break, support. So this is important for market. It shows us this. Only when they break this level of support, we gotta sell to 200 moving average and 119.48. This 119.48 we got from 1 hour chart. You remember that? So yeah. What else? Should we buy right now? It does not give me a buy signal right now, no. But to sell, I can sell only under this level of support and to go down up to 119.20. When am I going to buy? Only if they break this level of resistance on 1 hour chart like this and they stay above 119.80, So they break it and they stay above all the time on 1 hour chart, so we will buy further to 120.30. Why is that so? We go to 1 hour chart again, we check the situation, and you see if they break it, they go to 120.30, 120.58. Well, this is my target actually. I'm not sure if they go to 120.58, but this one is a good one. Now we talk about the Great Britain pound. The situation for daily chart, for a weekly chart, for monthly chart is not that good. So they're not showing a good technical reason to wait for a long position or for a short position. And if you go to check the situation on 1 hour chart, you can see that they have a really good interest here. You can see it with your eyes. Here, this area 137.80. They have interest here. It means that we can sell on a rebound of this area. So we can sell from here. But to be sure that we can sell, we go to 15-minute chart again, we check the same trading system, we check 200 moving average on 15-minute chart, we check this level of support, and only if they break it down, so they go under this area, we can sell, okay? What is target? 137. So what is an opportunity for us to go up, for example? Is it okay to buy right now? I'm not sure. I don't have a good target for Great Britain pound to open a long position, because on daily chart, on weekly chart, they're not really nice technically. Look here, it's been near the level of Ishimoku cloud. So maybe they will test 138.30. Maybe. So it's not, the technical situation is unsure. There are some moments when I'm really positive about what we have to do. So that's how we were buying euro dollar. Last week, this week, we were buying euro dollar. Why? Because I saw the technical picture. I saw the reason for them to go up. But right now, for Great Britain pound, I think it's better to wait or to sell, like I showed you. So now about gold. I'm going to be really short right now because this is time to trade. So yeah, I'm sorry. And for this technical picture, I can give you support to buy above 1756 with the target 1804. So this is my support to you, technical support, what you can do. Or, for example, if we got really lucky and they test this area, the tendency, if we get lucky and they go there, they test it, you see this is a good tendency. So if they test it near 174 here, give you a rebound, so this will be an opportunity to buy with the target 1756. Above 1756, you buy with the target 1805. For Brent, well, there are some people who are so sure that we have to buy, so sure that we have to sell. I'm really careful about that, really careful, because those are money that you can't lose just because. I would like you to pay attention to this situation. Level of resistance, level of support, and now level of resistance. 66.70 is a level of support and resistance that market is feeling, and it's a good level. So right now price is there. So if they begin to give you signal to sell, like they show you candles with a shadow from the upper side, this will be a moment to sell with the target 66, 65.60, and maybe a 64.80. If they break this area, they will go up to 69. So this is something we can use right now. And there are 4 instruments that I think are really good to trade right now. About Microsoft, I want to share with you my situation for Microsoft. Now, what I mean share, like we had a really good entry point. We got almost 15% profit for that. And yesterday Microsoft touched a really good level, 258, and now it's going down a little bit. It was like minus 1% or something. So I can tell you that this is not a sell signal yet, but they may go to some correction, okay? So Microsoft, if you hold that long positions that I gave you advice for, and well, not advice, but I shared my idea. So yeah, if you bought it and you hold it, so my target still goes to like 312, I think, something like that. So current now is 258, and we go to 312. I suppose it's the truth. And also, please pay attention to score, because our maximum target is 380. We were buying 240. Now it's 258 again, and target is 380. So yeah, it's still good to trade that instrument. About the Nasdaq, there is no sell signal yet. Yes, yesterday they gave us a good correction. we were in long positions. I was with the long positions, and it's not a sell signal yet. They still may try to go higher. So if you hold Dow Jones, if you hold S&P 500, Nasdaq gave you a little correction. It's not a technical or fundamental reason to close it right now. So be careful with that. And I think this is not a moment for big sell, big short right now. Okay. Also you can find in Instagram, I showed you, and in Telegram channel, the USD Norway krone situation. Check it out. Go through USD Norway krone situation and see the range that they showed us, what we traded, why it was understandable, why it was misunderstandable for you. So this is a lesson that you can go through. Okay, I will finish right now, and you are welcome to join me via Telegram and in Instagram, Maria Stock Forex. You can find me there, and of course, stay here with me and press the bell so you are